Hey guys, welcome to the 13th video of the series JavaScript Simplified from Computing Genie. In this video we'll be looking into how we can convert string and number variables. In the last video we talked about how to manipulate string variables in JavaScript. If you haven't watched that yet or the videos uploaded earlier in this course, I'll leave a card above and you can check them out. Now let's open up Visual Studio Code and take a look at how we can convert string and number variables. Let's remove the values that we used in our last video and replace them with appropriate ones for this video. Let's rename the let value to amount and give it a value of 1, 2, 3. Then we'll type in our show message function the name of our variable, which is amount. Once we've done that, let's save the project and check our output in the browser. And when done, you can see that we have received our expected output 1, 2, 3. Now let's say we want our amount value to be a string. To do that, we will add another line of code, and here we'll type in amount.toString. This is a pre-built JavaScript function that is going to now convert this number variable to a string variable. Once we have saved this file, you can see that our output remains the same, but the variable type has indeed changed. To check the variable, we'll use the console.log feature that we had a look in past videos. We'll use the type of function to view the variable type. Once saved, we'll open developer tools on our browser to have a look at the console. To do that, you could press F12 or use the key combination Ctrl plus Shift plus I. Once you have opened up the console, you can see our variable is displayed as a string, and if you remove this line of code and save your file, you can see that our variable type is now displayed as a number. Now let's try this the other way around. Let's convert this string variable to a number variable. To do that, we'll have to change our code a little bit. First we start off by typing number, which is a JS object, which we'll have a look at later on in the course. Then we type dot passFloat, and then our number value goes into parentheses. Once we save this, we get our number value, and now to check our variable, we do the same thing by having a look into the console, and as you can see, it's now a number and a conversion has indeed taken place. You just have to make sure that the value in your string variable should be a numerical value for this conversion to work for obvious reasons. And that's how we convert string and number variables in JavaScript. In the next video, we'll have a look into the Boolean variable type in JavaScript. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like on the video. If you have any suggestions regarding the content of the video, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to Computing Genie with bell notifications so you'll never miss out on another tutorial. And that's it for now. I'll see y'all in the next one.